Yo, what's up?
Besides the fact that I'm probably in 3 days. Dude, I do not want to go to jail.
Oh, dude, there's a warrant gonna be out for Damon's arrest. Whoa! Woo!
So, remember that in Monterey? Remember that ticket I got? This one?
Was that for impeding traffic in a traffic jam?
Very first time I've ever had like a crowd of people taking pictures while I get a ticket. This is maybe like a YouTube first right here.
Yeah. That really chill cop. This was a mandatory to appear on November the 30th.
Okay.
Well, I didn't go. We've been trying to pay it through the website. The problem is it goes to this site and it goes nowhere from here. And if I don't have this paid in the next 2 days, it has to be paid before the 4th, and on the 5th they will issue a warrant for my arrest.
No.
I'm dead serious. My wife called the court, and the worst part is they do not take payment over the phone. They only take it through this website that doesn't work, or I have to physically mail them a check, which is never going to get there in 2 days. And process.
Okay, hold on.
And clear, yeah. So if I get a warrant, I'm literally never gonna drive a car or be able to go to the States.
Oh, dude, can I pay it?
How would you pay it? I'm gonna make you. What are you gonna drive to Monterey?
If I have to.
Dude, look at this. Traffic tickets. Watch this.
This is about blank.
It literally, dude, sits here in loading like this forever. This website never works, and I've been trying everything. It's actually really stressing me out.
All right, well, let's figure this out. I'll literally drive to Monterey tonight if I have to. How long's the drive?
6-7 hours.
Oh.
Oh. Guess how much the ticket is. Guess how much they will send your jail for. $289.
No.
And we learned the last time when I had that ticket that was outstanding in Oregon, if you get banned in one state, you are banned in every state. Dude, I do not want to go to jail. I'm not made for jail.
You know what though? You look good. You got a nice hoodie on at least. ShopDD.com. Pick up some epic merch. Okay, let me look into it. I'll call you back. Oh, dude. There's a warrant gonna be out for Damon's arrest in 2 days. He had a ticket in Monterey. He didn't pay it. Went to pay it online. The website won't load. So the only option is I drive to Monterey and pay his ticket for him, or I don't and let him go to jail. No, I'm gonna try on the website to pay it now and see if I can pay it.
Is our choice to help you get Damon's ticket paid or to fix the hula girl?
Oh man, that's tough.
Because I'm gonna go with fixing the hula
You guys
girl.
vote below. Do we fix a hula girl
She doesn't
or
work.
save Damon from jail? Here's the website that won't work. Right, so I click on traffic tickets. Does it load? It loads, which is very interesting. I'm pretty sure it's like geo-locked for the geofence, geocaching. Anyways, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work in Canada, so the good news is I can pay his ticket. Damon, you owe me. Boom, successful transaction. We saved the day. You guys, I paid the ticket.
We're only worried about the hula girl.
You and the hula girl. Okay, let's see what's happening here. What's wrong with the hula girl?
I think her solar panel bit the dust.
She's not moving. Steady.
She's not.
Steady. So, Damon's not going to jail, but he doesn't know that yet. I should probably call and tell him that I paid his ticket. But I'm kind of hungry. Should I eat? Yeah, let's go for dinner.
Yeah, let him
You can
stew.
sit there and stew a little
He
bit.
had how many months to work it out?
Oh yeah. Life isn't so bad after all. Hey, so let's move some stuff. Kevin's never been in the Huracan.
Never.
That's insane. We've been in all of your cars. Like every one. So let me make some room for you. Don't mind the mess. Damon's filthy. All right, it's Huracan season. Oh, that's a new catchphrase. Oh. Whenever I drive the Huracan, it's Huracan season. I used to be funny. Used to have a whole head of hair. Then life happened. Oh yeah. Rev it! Jesus. That thing's loud. Look at the plane. lot of buttons in this car compared to the R8. Button for the e-brake, button to shift the gears. So Andrew rode his bike here. Eric's not a big fan of bike, and why is that? He has a picture to show me. Oh, hold on. Look at the brake. Look at the scar. Eric, what happened?
I crashed.
Yeah, clearly. All right, we got an Alex Choi tire change. You actually know what you're doing?
No.
No?
Not really.
Make sure that touches the wheel. So you're doing this because you're changing the TMPS. Well, you're installing TMPS. You've got nothing in there.
TMS.
Did I say that wrong? TM tire monitor pressure. These are them? Did you buy used ones?
No, they just off my old bill.
Ah, reduce, reuse, recycle. Question for you. The Mercy, what's it need before it's good to go? Check mark for health, and then goes back to Canada to get insured?
The car's ready to go anyway.
Is it ready to go now?
Sure.
I thought you had parts on order.
We do, but you asked if the car was drivable and able to
Well,
go.
what are you doing to it? Like
It's gonna
preventative maintenance.
Well, we're gonna do a bunch of the maintenance on the car that hasn't been done. It's gonna get shocks. It's gonna get some leaks fixed. The most important thing is probably the transmission booth.
It's a hand-built 3.2 liter?
This is a 3.0. This is the
This
first
is
gen.
first gen, bro.
First gen.
Don't
First
jump
gen,
ahead.
3 liter V6 from your NSX. And you've had this car for 20 years. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah, I
I
like
had nothing longer than like 2 years, including friends.
Because you don't take care of
Be
it.
warned. Yeah, right.
I'm already trying to get away.
So what are we doing here, Mark?
It's getting ready for its valve adjustment.
All this for valve adjustments?
What do you think? Of course. See the valves?
Yeah, you can't do that in the car?
No.
That you're doing an oil change.
And we're gonna do a timing belt.
Yeah. Oh, belts. Classic.
Yeah, ooh.
Honda.
Ooh.
How many miles are on this car?
I don't know actually. I don't know. How many I don't. I really don't know.
About this many.
Yeah. I just drive it.
There's numbers all the way across from one end of the odometer to the other.
It's not low miles for sure.
Oh,
There.
yes.
That right there is DDE.
That's definitely Damon was here, right?
Yeah.
But I love how the whole rear subframe, everything just comes out. Boom.
It's like it was meant to come out like that.
My friend bought a 2004 NSX Targa. He paid 60,000 Canadian for it before NSXs were cool again. And then a few years ago, he's like, I want a new truck. He traded it in on a new diesel truck. Got $35,000 traded for it. And then they announced the new NSX, and now they want
Double, triple.
So you never know. Sometimes it's better not to sell anything. Like Kevin,
Just keep it.
just keep it.
Keep everything.
Everything.
I don't sell it.
Hey Mark, we out. Pleasure as always.
Good to see you. Welcome
Make
back.
it awkward.
Where did your hand go?
Oh, I love this car. How was that? Oh, I can feel the back end. How was that?
It's normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
That's CGT.
Man, thanks, Kevin.
That's noisy, yeah.
You guys go follow
Ow.
Kevin, Cyber Garage on Instagram. He can't hear you right now because he's deaf.
Yeah.
This a new car or what?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's sick. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good to see you. I love the color of those seats. Oh, dude. Heck yeah, that's cool. It lights up.
Yeah.
And you just got this.
Just got it. I couldn't wait. You gotta wait 1,200 miles to break them in before they'll let you put it in rear wheel drive and have full access.
The
to
computer
full
will stop
mode.
you.
Yeah, you're not, it's like grayed out. It's like not an option to click on. So I have to be at 1,200 miles. So from Sacramento to here to back is about 1,200 miles.
Oh, so no donuts tonight.
Not tonight.
Oh, I'm ready. Beautiful car. Well, you see billboards pretty much means you're in Hollywood. We're gonna go check out the Chinese theater. Always lots of cool things happening there. Driving the Huracan. I'm actually really enjoying it. The more time you get behind the wheel, the more comfortable you feel, get a better feeling for the car. This thing's really fast. So I guess we find somewhere to park. Kind of wanted to come here with no real plan, but there's people everywhere. Wicked energy always here in Hollywood. And a few characters as well. I think Eric needs a VF supercharger for his M3. Make a 580 kit for that car. That'd be fast. Yeah. Launch control, go. Open. This car's low. Dude, that thing rips. You're right behind me the whole time.
It's not as fast as that, but it's pretty fast.
I assume this is, and forgive me, I'm not up to date with the M5 specs. It's a twin turbo something.
It's a V8 twin turbo.
Which means you can tune it and make it 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
Probably pretty easy. Watch out for the bus.
Saved my life.
I saved your life.
It's worth the drive to save my life.
Now it belongs to me. You tell Jamie don't edit me out.
Jamie, don't edit me out.
This is my moment for fame.
This is my moment for fame.
Oh, dude. Danny DeVito. He's a boss. I love Danny DeVito.
Yeah, he's like this tall. He's awesome.
Wait, I found the one. I found the one.
Found it.
Boom. That's the Tom Cruise. That's the Tom Cruise run.
Mission Impossible.
Add to the list.
Another one on the list. That's gonna be the world's longest shirt by the time we get that list made.
It's gonna be a 90.
It's gonna be like prints this big and it's like 17 columns.
I think it's time to swap seats and take that M5 for a rip. Sounds insane. Has like 1,000,000 horsepower. I said that because I don't remember the specs. Okay, we're at the world famous Bob's Diner here in Burbank.
This is my first time here.
You ever been here before?
No.
It's my first time too.
So I've been here a few times with Damon. There's a hotel we used to stay at all the time just down the road, and apparently this is where all the celebrities eat. Justin Bieber has his own table here.
Really?
And I think you should order the Justin Bieber.
The Justin Bieber side or the main
It's a special meal. Special meal.
What do you think is it gonna be?
I can't say on camera. Okay, we had a quick snack here at Big Bob's. Now it's time to experience the M5.
I can't do it. Most of the fun stuff this car can do, like put it in rear wheel drive mode only or go super aggressive on the way you can set up the car to drive it in the M modes. Until I've got 1,200 miles on it and it's a break-in period, and then you take it to the dealer and then they'll make the car actually what the car is.
Oh! Oh my god! It's funny because it's quiet, but it's fast. Oh, you hear that?
Yeah. Damn. Gunshot.
Oh, dude. I like this.
It's comfy back here.
Oh! What's gonna happen now? I'm gonna ask you guys, do we need one of these DDE?
Put it on the list.
It's actually, honestly, M5s are pretty insane. And listen to the exhaust. All right, Dustin, let's hear it. That's pretty legit. So you can make this car two-wheel drive as well when it's not doing its like setup mode.
Right.
So you go there. Oh, dude. It won't work.
I'm on YouTube.
Eric, hack the computer.
It won't do it.
Oh!
It won't do it.
Maybe because it's not ready for it yet.
Yeah, I don't think it's ready.
It's not ready for launch control yet. Oh! This is good.
I tried to do burnout, it didn't work.
Dude, this thing pulls hard. Guess what, guys? I'll be driving the M5 in a minute. Oh! Jeez! I can feel it on my skull. Oh, you hit 35 miles an hour there. Time to switch it up, get in the driver's seat and check out the M5, which has like 300 miles on it, 400 miles on it.
600 now.
600, oh, it's old and beat up. Look how nice this car is, you guys. Like, appreciate the M5 for a minute. I love this car. It's got the carbon roof, these crazy interior, crazy seats. I love that touch. Eric, you look amazing back there as always. Oh, someone that's actually taller than me. Holy moly. Put it in drive. This is a BMW, so you just... Oh, okay, you got it. That's fast. That was like, literally like 20% throttle. Oh my God, so fast. All right, you guys, let's launch this thing. We try to launch it?
Oh, it won't let us.
Why?
It says we have to configure it first.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
on sport. Oh!
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 Go in there.
That's new. So are we good now? What just happened?
It's a two-wheel drive.
You just unlock something.
Look how happy he is. Oh, by magic of the vlog, this car is now in two-wheel drive. With TC off.
Look, it's all red even.
Oh, it just got crazy. It just got super angry. Okay. So that was just a burnout. I'm gonna smoke. We gotta go. You just laid the biggest patch trying to launch control. Did you see how much the smoke there was? Oh, you can smell it. You can smell those brand new tires. Dude, so now that, for some reason, we don't know how or why.
I have no idea what we did.
It's in like, we can do everything now. Now it's time for Dustin to get back in behind the driver's seat.
No.
Oh, shit! Whoa!
Dude, it breaks through like easy.
Oh, yes! Dude, how happy are you right now?
Dude, this
like
is
this
awesome.
car just came awake.
Alright, we're gonna try shifting that.
Whoa! Woo! It's so foggy out this morning. It's weird. Oh my. We almost peaked out at 640 horsepower.
Damn.
This parking lot, and the security guy who works here is really cool. He's like, you guys can do a donut in here, you're good. People do it all the time. So we have permission, which is really good.
Yeah.
Because we're doing
Even
things on.
gated off
We're
two
doing
of them, so there's nobody can get in.
Yeah, he literally gated it off for us. Dude.
She did both.
Nailed it.
And a burnout together.
Nailed it. Thanks for that,
Thank
dude.
you.
Thanks, bro. I can't believe this car only has 600 miles on it and we're doing donuts in it. Well, you are.
That's right.
Dude, you nailed it.
Well, we'll get better.
Yeah,
Next
you
time-
can practice.
Next time they'll be better, I promise.
Next time there'll be 2,000 miles on it.
Yes.
All sideways.
Hopefully.
Well, dude, thanks for driving out. That was dope. Dude, how crazy was that M5?
It's amazing. We shut down a parking lot to do that.
Dude, it has 600 miles on it. We're doing donuts. Dustin's a really cool guy. Smash the subscribe button, pick up some epic DDE merch. I'll see you next video. Eric, close it down for us. What are you doing? Enjoying some time off, are you?
I was just drinking because I'm worried about this might be the last time I'm a free
Yeah.
man.
So, I got bad news for you.
You couldn't pay.
You owe me $400.
Oh, you
Yeah,
paid it?
yeah, I'm messing with you. Yeah, I paid it. It worked.
Woo!
Yeah, you can celebrate.
This whole time I've been practicing juggling soaps. I wouldn't drop it.